right, so if you guys remember, our first break of the night had one of the Topps Platinums. So we're gonna grab two more. That's why the case is open there. But we didn't pull anything. We pulled a David Cobb, corn on a cob. Okay, so here we go. This 2015 Platinum, which I'm still kind of a bit. Nobody's breaking Platinum, which makes it tough to get a gauge of what stuff's selling for online. So I don't know. So Platinum dual box break. I think it looks good. I think the patches look good. The shorter print stuff looks great. So here we go. Dominic the Dude is back. There's Buffalo Pav Mason. Good to see you. Jelly Bean had a weirdo hit out of Immaculate, which I like. Tiga. Pav Tiarashi. Carolina. Floydtown. The Crew. All right, so dual boxes of Platinum here for you guys. And here we go. All right, blowing through this stuff. Sorry, upside down. Let's try this way. Here we go. But I appreciate you guys hanging out on Tuesday. I know, right? Here's Trey McBride, 17 out of 99. Short print. It's one of the gold. Going to Grifster. So Trey McBride, 17 out of 99. I still think that the cards, the autos just look super slick this year. Design looks good. I like it. I just think, once again, a lot of products came out at the exact same time, so it's tough to kind of pick and choose, or it's actually easier to pick and choose what you want to break. So another gold, 75 out of 99. Kevin Johnson go to Houston. That's Dominic 15. There you go. 75 out of 99. Kevin Johnson. Another gold. Anybody else watching the LSU Texas Tech game? Is that what we got on there? Texas Tech coach is going crazy. All right. So this was a dual break here for you guys. There's Leonard Williams, and there's only one blue per box. So if you really inclined to have a Leonard Williams, I'll go out for Mason. AD's watching it. Okay. So still waiting on the patch auto out of here. Is it always the last pack? I mean, I feel like it's shouldn't be like that, right? I think this is it, right? Cha. See, you throw some glitter on these things. 48 out of 50. You got Clive Walford. Going to Oaktown, it's Jay True. Straight out of AD's personal glitter collection. 48 out of 50, Clive Walford, two-color patch. Not the worst, right? I'd rather take a nice short print Clive Walford than a non, but all right, you guys still got one more box here of Platinum. Man, if we don't hit anything out of this box, it's almost worth giving Platinum another go. All right. Actually, not too shabby. 9 out of 50, Carlos Williams. More glitter. This is a whole glitter case. All right, this is going to Buffalo, so Pav, that's you, bud. 9 out of 50. Carlos Williams. Then you got a Matt Jones, 17 out of 75. Going to Washington. Grifster. Then a Tony Lippett, 11 out of 150 to Miami. It's the dude. There you go, bud. 11 out of 150, Tony Lippett. Nope, Crown's coming up after Black Gold. So we got Black Gold and then 2 rounds of Crown. Okay. If you see me turning the packs, it's just because some of them are, there's just one way that makes it really easy for me to open them. And it's just like that. All right, Jeremy Langford, and that's going to Chicago. It's one of the blue platinums, only 1 per box. So I believe we're still looking for the patch auto. And this might be it right here. Of course it is. And of course, we continue. You can't tell me that you don't like this card a little bit. 41 out of 125. Give me a little girly. So Platinum Girly, 41 out of 125. Shorter print, 2 color, almost a peak of a third. Could you put in an eBay auction? Could you put in the subtitle almost 3 colors? Question mark. I feel like you could and get away with it. So a really nice girly that's going to St. Louis Floyd Town picks up a nice girly for $7.50. Ain't bad. So that's a good way to end off on Platinum. Like that a lot. So, all right. Keep plugging away here. Almost